The Dakota is back. Well, welcome back. Today I got some awesome news. Yesterday evening I actually dropped off the Dakota at the body shop, and not only did I drop it off, as soon as I pulled it off the trailer, they pushed it up on the frame machine, so it's actively being worked on now, which is awesome because that means the hardest part to take care of is getting fixed, and then as soon as it's done we'll start fabrication. That's awesome. I'm so excited about that. So with that said, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up removing all the stuff off that donor truck that I need, and I'm going to pull the engine and trans out so that when someone wants to buy it, it's easy accessible to load up on the truck. So let me get to it. Well, got the motor out of this thing. Now I'm just going to pillage the rest of the parts off of it. And then send it on to the scrapper, because you really see how bad that frame is on the inside. Like it's just gone. But it doesn't matter. Again, the Dakota's at the frame shop getting fixed. So the donor Dakota is just going to get pillaged and then sent on down the road. About to take this motor and trans out to the storage shed and get it unloaded, and hopefully someone buys it soon. But jump in the truck and go do that. Well, this thing has served its purpose. I got the motor and trans out. I got just about everything I need off of this thing. And found another huge rust hole behind the sway bar mount. So thank God I did not try to use this frame anyway, because it was just a lost cause. But she's gonna be going on to the Beyond, I guess you could say. I might try to sell the doors. They need some work, but pulled the dash out, pulled the seats out, door panels off, all the wiring in on the inside. It's just a bare shell. It was still worth the purchase. Still got to sell the motor and trans, which I'm going to do. I think I've got a couple people interested. So that's all done, and she will go into the great beyond. Well, all right. This isn't a very long episode, but as you can see, the Dakota is home. And the frame is fixed. It's pretty incredible. You can't even barely know that it was fixed at all. It's just awesome. I'm so excited to have this thing back the way it needs to be. I just kind of got that grill on there now to get an idea of how everything fit. And pretty soon we'll be working on the motor mounts. Actually got part of that done already. So I'm going to take it up to the shop, set the motor in place and finish those up. I do still have the old motor mounts in here that need to be cut off. I'm actually going to be using factory frame purchase. And I'm also going to wire wheel the frame and paint it all up before we're all done. But check it out. She is all done and back together and looking great. Can't even tell that this thing was just mint a couple days ago. It looks incredible. Ella painting body in Magnolia. Killed it.